Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix SSL Connect error in the FIFA 23. So our first method is so simple that you have to just open a website which is named as EA. After opening this website you have to just find here such type of the interface. Now you have to just click on the profile icon at the top right corner. Here you will find the two options, create account and sign in. You have to basically click on the sign in option, and after this such type of the interface will open for you. Basically you have to just log in your FIFA 23 via the account that is already linked to your game, like the PlayStation Network account or your Google account or the Facebook or the Twitch, anyone that is already linked to your game. So doing so your problem will be fixed and you will be get back into your game. If not, then you have to just move to the next method. You have to just open a website which is named as EA Sport. Basically you have to just contact to the sport team of the EA and they will help you to solve your issue. For this you have to just click to open this website, and here you have to just search for your game and then click on it. So after this you will find here the different options. Select the one that you want, like I am selecting my PC. So after this you have to just click on manage my account and then click on cannot login, and then click on the select contact option. Here you will find here such type of the interface. Here you have to just put here your case information like your first name, last name and email address, and then click on the next. Doing so you have to just wait for the processing, and after this you will find here a step of the interface. Just scroll down and then click on the chat, and after doing so you will find here a step of the interface where you have to just make a live chat with the support team. Here you have to just put here the subject of your error, and then you can also attach the screenshot of your problem and then click on the next. After this the support team will help you to fix your error. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.